We'll ease ourselves back into our chair now and do a little bit of deep breathing. So go ahead and find a position that's comfortable where you won't need to readjust yourself. You can start to allow your legs, arms, and body to rest easily. And when you are ready, you may close your eyes and start to bring your awareness to your breath. Bring your awareness to the space surrounding your body. Bring awareness to the energy surrounding you and within you. As you bring your awareness to your breath, you become more relaxed and more at peace as you begin to drift into a place unknown and also so familiar. As you bring your awareness to your breath, we're not focusing on anything but our breath. Our attention is our breath, and with that attention, we are guided to ease our stress, to ease our pains, to ease our suffering, because with our awareness on our breath, we have the power and the energy of everything around us. With the awareness of our breath, it can guide us to a place of peace, a place that only you know best, and a place that only you can give yourself the time for. Nobody in your life will bring you this awareness. Nobody in your life will care this much about giving you some time to decompress and recenter your body. So as you start to drift into pure consciousness, pure awareness of just presence, you can let go of everything you know, because right now, all that you know is your breath. All that you are aware of is being. And the deeper you breathe, the more you surrender to this void, the more at peace you become. The more at peace you feel. You have everything you need in this moment right now. You have all the peace, all the happiness, all the joy in this moment right now. All you need to do is surrender to the void. Surrender to the peace. And enjoy the beautiful presence of everyone around you. And know that deep down, everyone in this room is all together, creating a sense of peace for one another. And the more we can bask in this feeling of inner peace, the more we can give it out to everyone around us in the room as well. If you start to wander, that's okay. Come back to your breath and the awareness and guidance that it gives you. If you start to wander, that breath will give you everything you need. And as you continue this breath, you realize that deep down, nothing outside of you can touch you. Nothing outside of you can faze you. Nothing outside of your inner self can make you feel the way that you do right now. No car, no house, no food, no person, no thing can bring you what you have created for yourself in just a few moments. And as you consider this and go deeper into the void of presence, we're going to spend some time in silence in those exact moments. Go ahead and breathe. Be present and soak up every bit of energy that you feel around you. As you start to come back to my voice, This is always a great reminder for you that just a few moments of deep breathing and time for yourself can make you feel so much better in the immediate moment and for the rest of the day, weeks, and months ahead. Let's take our final breath all together. Gently fill your lungs with that beautiful air. And as you exhale, you may slowly open your eyes whenever you are comfortable and ready to a new world. No rush at all. We are all finished for the day. Thank you all for coming. Have an awesome rest of the day and week.